Hi, I'm Frankie, and in this video, I'm going to share what Azure Bot Service is in 2 minutes. Azure Bot Service was made to solve this problem. Imagine you have an agent or a chatbot that you want to communicate with some type of channel or platform. Each channel or platform has its own protocol for the way it works with messages. So, if you have an agent or a chatbot, you need to communicate by creating a separate translator service for each of those different platforms. This can make things pretty complicated pretty quick. So Azure Bot Service was created to solve this. It's a managed service that connects a chat-based agent to one or more channel. So the solution is every chat channel goes directly to the bot service. The Azure Bot Service translates to your agent or chatbot by relaying the messages and understanding how all those different channels work. This makes things way easier because now you just have one translator service instead of having to recreate a new one for every single platform. You can get started with Azure Bot Service by taking advantage of the Microsoft 365 Agents SDK, build that in your backend service, and then you just create an app registration, your Azure Bot Service, and connect it to whatever channels you want. You can see a full implementation of this being set up for a Microsoft Teams AI agent that I built in the video that I link in the description. If you have questions, put them in the comments below. I answer every comment to help as many people as I can. And if this video was helpful for you, I'd appreciate if you liked the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. As always, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.